Hi there, this is Zach Kokoda with Red Rocks Online Solutions. Thanks for watching this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick, easy, and most importantly, free tool that you can use that you probably already have on your phone. It's going to help your business online. And so here we go. It's Facebook Live. Now, I know that many of you are probably familiar with Facebook Live. Are you using it for your business? There's a lot of different ways, and we'll talk about a few today, but I'm always a little bit surprised about how many businesses don't use it, don't utilize it, and it is such an amazingly powerful tool. People want to engage with your brand, and this is a really great way to drive engagement and get visitors, more eyeballs on your social media. And so I'm just going to show you how to do it, and then if you don't know how, and then maybe talk about some ways to use it for your business. So I'm having issues technologically with my the piece of software I use to get my phone to mirror to my computer screen. So I'm just going to have to do this the old-fashioned way and show you. But I'm going to open up Facebook here, and once I open up Facebook, you'll see at the top right here when you that little live button. When you click that live button, you can do a whole lot of really fun things. You can mess around with some of the filters and get kind of silly and fun and goofy, or you can just go live. And you just press that start live video right there. And as soon as you hit start live video, you'll start recording. And you'll see along the bottom of the screen right here, you'll see people as they kind of tune in. Up here, it'll show you up along the top once you start recording how many people are watching it. But as people pop in, just make sure you send a shout out. You say, hey, how's it going, Mike? Thanks for tuning in. And anyway, that's how you do a live video. Very easy, very, 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 very easy, and extremely effective. Now, let me tell you about some ways that I've used it in my business, and I've helped some of my clients use it. So Facebook Live would be a great way to do a live question answer session. Just make sure that before you use a Facebook Live, if you want people to really engage, that you put it out on social media a day or two, even a week in advance, and really just make sure people know you're going to be on. Let people know at what time you'll be on, and make sure obviously it's a time that works for your audience. So maybe either during a lunch break or probably after work or during the day works as well, but that's fine. You could do live question and answers. If you have a special event coming up and you want people to tune in right there at the event, maybe people who can't be at the event, run a Facebook Live so they feel like they're part of your brand and what's going on in your business. Another great way, another thing that I like to do is a behind the scenes. So a lot of people like to know how stuff works, and your business is included. So take them behind the scenes. You can also showcase maybe a certain product that you're working on, you're really excited about, or even some of your employees, kind of a spotlight, employee of the month type deal. It's a great way to do that. Maybe you've got a product you want to demo for your audience so they can see how it works and be excited to come and buy that product or service. Use Facebook Live for that. Also, giveaways. This is a really great way I found to do giveaways. So again, maybe you're doing like a month-long or a week-long competition. Make sure you're posting every day about that competition, and you're announcing that, hey, we're going to go live to give away this big prize on this day at this time, and people will tune in. Again, Facebook Live, it's absolutely free, and it is a powerful way to get people engaged. Video is becoming more and more huge. It already is a very important part of search engine results and your social media, but it's only going to become more valuable and more important because more people are going to be using it. So learn how to use Facebook Live. I know people are afraid to get on camera, but look, I'm a bumbling idiot. I don't say my words right. I'm wearing a Christmas tie. So just get on. Don't worry about perfection. People like to see character flaws, and use Facebook Live. Anyway, I hope you found this incredibly helpful. Get out there, use that, and we'll see you tomorrow with another tip.